So good morning students. In today's class, ICT class, we are going to continue with the previous chapter is calculator application. So if you remember, in the previous period, we have seen about Scratch and we have also discussed how to download Scratch. Those who were using mobile phone, it was difficult for them to download Scratch. So alternate solution was also being given to you. You have to go to the Scratch site and the link was already shared with you on WhatsApp. You can just check for the same. It was even shared with you in your newsletter, so you can check in that. Okay, so this is how the Scratch looks like. If you can see here, so I'll show you once again. This is my screen, and here you can see how. So the people those who are having laptop, it's very easy for them to use. So you have to just double click on this Scratch 3. We are not using Scratch Junior, but we are using normal Scratch. That is Scratch 3. This is how the screen looks like, and if you remember, we have discussed regarding all these options that you can see on the screen. What is the code, what is the meaning of costumes, what is the meaning of sounds, and how it functions. So going ahead, this is called as a sprite. Sprite is nothing but the character. So now we don't want a sprite. Today we are going to see that how we can design a calculator. Okay, as you know, we are studying the topic calculator, so we are going to see how we can design a calculator. So in today's class, we are going to learn how to design a calculator using Scratch. So very simple. Now for designing a calculator, I do not require this sprite. ये sprite मुझे नहीं चाहिए. So what I'll do, I'll just come down, click on delete. You can see now the sprite gets deleted. So now this stage becomes a complete white stage, right? Now I have to design my own calculator. मुझे अपना खुद का calculator design करना है. Nothing ready-made is available over here. So what you will do, you have to now click over here down in this choose backdrop, right? In choose backdrop, there is something called as, see here, there are no such backdrop available. Okay, so what we will do, we will just click on this, and here's a brush icon, paint brush. Click on paint brush. Now here you have to design. आपको खुद का आपका डिजाइन करना है backdrop, right? Calculator डिजाइन करना है आपको. जिस backdrop में आपको यहाँ पीछे एक calculator चाहिए. तो what you will do, you will click on that. Go over here in the choose backdrop. Here click on the paint button. When you click on the paint button, you will see such type of screen gets open. ऐसा screen आपके सामने open होता है. आपको इसके ऊपर एक calculator बनाना है. How calculator looks like? So if you just see here, you get to know this is how a calculator looks like, okay? And we have to design in such a way. Let me show you that. See, so this is how our calculator will look like. Fine. This is how a calculator will look like. Okay, so set all number and symbol sprites to look like a calculator. So we have to actually make it look like a calculator. So let's follow step by step all the instructions given over here. So first we are going to make a backdrop. So the way, if you see, I have deleted this sprite. Okay, after that you have to click open this backdrops and click on the paint button. So the way we have done here, the same way you have to do here also. Okay, I have opened and opened the paint button. The paint you going by clicking over here and going in the paint brush, and the backdrop gets open. Now if you see a next step over here, you can see now we have to design, we have to use a rectangle tool and make a rectangle. Okay, so with the same thing we will do here we have a rectangle or a square tool, and now take the color whatever you want from here and just simply design a rectangle. Okay, now from here you can change the color of this the way you want. You can change the color of this. So whatever color you want, you can take from here. It's not compulsory to take the same color. You can choose any one color. Now, I want this color, so I will take this color. You can increase, decrease saturation point, the brightness of it. Everything is depends upon you. That's it. Okay. So now if you see, I can even increase, decrease size from here. So you can see my base, the background of the calculator is ready. Going ahead, let's see the next step. The same way, so they have also changed the color. We have also changed the color over here. Okay, now if you want, we can give outline. If you want, you can just give the outline from here. Okay, can see, you can give the outline from here. Fine. And the outline gets ready. Moving ahead, let's see the next step. Now we have to draw one more rectangle. So draw rectangle panel to show numbers entered into the calculator. So we are going to draw one more rectangle over here like this to show the numbers. So let's draw one more rectangle. Take the rectangle tool from here again. Change the color from here. Let's check, sorry. Rectangle tool. Draw another rectangle over here. I just change the color of this. That's it. Okay. So you can see I have taken one more rectangle tool and I have drawn the another rectangle. Moving ahead, let's see the next step. Now we have to design the buttons. Now for designing the buttons, again you have to go hover the mouse over choose a sprite and click on the paint option. So let's do this. Here we are done with it. So here we have the option, see, choose a sprite. So our backdrop is ready. Okay. Now we are going to include sprite. So for sprite, on the left hand side here you have a scat का icon with a plus sign. वहाँ पे आपको इस paint brush पे जाना है. Okay, so click on paint brush and now we are going to design our sprite. Okay, so the way they have done, same way, in this way, and now we are going to use this text tool and design number 1. Okay, so take the text tool from here and we will design number 1. Okay, so it should come properly in a box. Okay, let's take this first. Let's take a small box from here. Change the color of this, green, and now on that let's write down number by changing the color to maybe black. One. Okay, so you can see your number 1 is ready. Okay, the way they have done, the same way we have done. Okay, going ahead, now right click on the number sprite and select duplicate option. So let's check for that. So here we have this. If we right click on this, just a minute, yeah, so you can see over here at the bottom I have to right click on this sprite and click on duplicate. Okay, you can just change the number from here. Instead of 1 you write on 2. Okay, again then duplicate, and now instead of 2 you can write on 3. Duplicate, instead of 3 you can write on 4. Okay, and just place it the way you, wherever you want it. जहाँ पे भी आपको place करना है वहाँ पे place कर सकते हो इसको. So number 1. Okay, if you want to decrease the size of this, the way you want, you can just place it. Okay, we're just doing 12 error. 3, 4. The way they have done. Fine. So we're putting down 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, now again going ahead the same way we can do for number 5, 6, 7, 8 also. Now we have to draw math symbol using sprite, using the paint option, use rectangle tool and the line tool, the same way they have shown us. Now again we will take one more sprite. Okay, again a paint brush, and now we are going to make a plus symbol, plus, multiplication, division, those signs. Okay, so what to do again for that, take the rectangle tool first. Okay, and in this you have to draw the plus sign. Write on the pluses, change the color, take the text tool again, use the different color. Go with this. And now plus, so you can see the size of this plus. Looks good, right? The way they have done, right? Then duplicate the first symbol and using the paint symbol. Again they use plus, minus, division, multiplication is equal to, the same way. Okay, so again we'll duplicate this. So duplicate, and now instead of plus it will be minus. Again duplicate this, instead of minus it will be multiplication, a multiply symbol. Then duplicate, instead of multiplication here it will be division. Again duplicate, and with this you will have here is equal to. Okay, so now you see you can place it the way wherever you want. जहाँ पे भी आपको place करना आप place कर सकते हो. You can add more numbers. This is the way our calculator will be ready. So in this we will see our calculator will be ready. So this will take a lot of time, students. You have to practice it very perfectly. Take your time and then complete this. Take your time and then complete this whole calculator. Okay, watch the video 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, as many times you want, and then try making this calculator app. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Try practicing it, try making it. Next time in this, for this week you have this task to be done. Very soon I will be posting the new video where you will be a new recorded session where you will be learning the next part or next coming topics in the same chapter, calculator application. Thank you and have a nice day all of you.